Here's a message of hope. This afternoon we've just come off a live and interactive information session. And there's this one doctor who's qualified about a year ago that hasn't been able to find a job here in South Africa. And I thought it was just such a sad state of affairs that someone would study for so many years. And once they've got that degree, they still can't find a job. But there's hope, my friends, because you don't have to sit and wait. Now, that particular doctor took the first step by coming to a live and interactive information session. So that is step one. Step two is to take action. Because Leon and I found ourselves in a situation. Leon was with his company for 23 years. I was with my company for over 9 years. And we were both put on early retirement. Let's just cut the nonsense. That is being laid off. Do you know how that hurts when you've given the best of your life to a company and they just boot you out? But we quickly realized that we could either sit and have a pity party, or we could take action and create our own employment. Because we were, on top of being laid off, we were told we were too old to get jobs. So where did that leave us? We had to create our own income, and we had to create our own employment, because that was the only way we were going to be able to survive. We went to an information session just like this, and that is where we realized that this is an incredible opportunity where you get out exactly what you put in. There's no fluffs, ifs, and but yous. You own your business by yourself. You earn 100% of the profit. So you don't even have to share it with a boss or a partner. If you're interested in something like this, don't sit back. Realize that this is an opportunity being dished up in front of you. Tomorrow evening, Tuesday, the 12th of November, at 7:30 p.m. South African Standard Time or Central African Time, depending on where you are, we will be hosting another information session where you can listen to how the business model works. It's explained to you in detail. The benefits are explained to you. We explain to you exactly what's required of you to be successful in this business. But you have to come and look at the information, because if you educate yourself, then you can make an informed decision. We'd love to see you there. Don't just sit back and wait for someone else to carry the torch for you, because it's not going to happen. You're going to wait a hell of a long time. So take action today. Put ready in the comments if you're ready. Go to that information session tomorrow evening. It's online, it's on Zoom. You've all got a cell phone, you've all got internet access. Come and listen to the information, because it is incredible what this business opportunity has done for people like myself and Leon. We're just plain ordinary people who've given our best life to the corporate world, then got kicked in the teeth. But look at us, we're okay now, and you too can be okay. Don't give up hope. There's always hope. But you have to want to better yourself. You have to take action. You have to take responsibility for yourself. You have to be coachable. Go to our website, learntoearnwithus.com, and we'd love to send you your personal invitation. It will take an hour or so of your time. You get to ask questions if you have any. It's time well invested. We'd love to see you there. So go to our website, learntoearnwithus.com, and let's educate you as well.